Hi guys, we go for detailing for this car today, inside and outside. You can see how much is dirty. This is inside. Okay, this guy come with the van. He do detailing. He have everything: generator, power washer, soap, air. Using soap. Just throwing on soap. Just cleaning a little more in detailing. One time again using soap. So have to using twice. More better clean. Again using the power washer. Still be doing power wash. Second time. Cleaning engine bay too. Slide the door. Cleaning rim. Cleaning again rim with the brush. So we have to clean one time more. Is one time is done for pretty good. Still we have to using more thing, chemicals, wax and clay. And one time did it more clean. Already look like pretty good. See how many chemical have for detailing. So many things, so many chemicals for shining. And this water tank, compressor, air. Again time to wash using soap with the hand. Washing door too with the hand with the soft cloth.
¿Para qué tienes el teléfono?
Again using power wash. Using air for dry. There is a compressor in there. This is we using chemical like has a clay. It remove all the dust, everything. Yeah, good of you. See, this is after clay is cleaning. Cleaning is good and smooth. Still we using polish and more chemical. So you see it's 10 liter old. We making brand new. This is still same thing like we using clay for clear dust everything. Now using tire shine. Now we're using wax. This is fast shining wax. See the difference with the wax and without wax.
Yeah.
So we do same thing, wax. Take too much time, like more than 1 or 2 hours. Okay guys, see again difference here to here, with wax, without wax. Okay, see the difference
How much do you
is
charge
right there.
for
This is
detailing,
polish,
olive
this is
and
without polish. But we already clean with the soap, and soap have a shiny chemical too. So, but still is,
So how much do you charge for
you can see is 3-2
What do you want?
difference.
Interior or exterior?
interior and exterior?
Oh, wow.
Using more stuff for cleaning. This is BMW 528i X-Drive. Now use different chemical for shining and clean once again.
What is this?
So right now we're cleaning mat. Using soap, then scrub. See the difference? Using steam too for more better cleaning. Now we do interior cleaning. Doing the vacuum from the cleaning streaming. Sliding door. Okay guys, this car almost is done. You see how was it clean? Rim. Inside the tire. This is back, front, inside the seat, doors, roof, front seats, dashboard, even his roof. Even from inside is very neat and clean. This is the other side. Car is ready to drive.